Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build a Star Wars inspired automatic watch. Let's begin. This is the dial I have chosen. We start by removing the dial stems that are not needed. File it to make it smooth. Gently attach it to the movement. Now rotate the stem till the date just ticks over. We know this is midnight and can then attach the hands. Let's start with the first hand, which is the hour hand. Check if the hand moves freely. Next, attach the minute's hand. Check again to ensure both the hands don't interfere. And finally, attach the second's hand. Check again to ensure no hands interfere with each other. This is the case I have chosen, and I realized a mistake. This case has the crown at 4.1 position, whereas my movement and dial are all for 3.8 position crown. I attached the bezel and decided to go ahead with the build anyway. Maybe I can get another case and change it later. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that. Now, remove the dummy stem. And gently place the case front on the movement. Attach the case crown to a new stem and insert it into the movement. Measure the excess that needs to be cut. Carefully cut the stem. File it, attach the crown, and insert it back again into the movement. Now you can see how the 3.8 position movement and dial does not quite align with the 4.1 position case. Although it doesn't look that bad. Let me know what you think. Carefully stick the rotor sticker. Place the rubber seal. and close the case back. I've chosen these white silicone straps, attach them, and we're done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.